Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a video on the Bulova Pendulum Mantel Clock with chimes. So, here we go. Now, there isn't really much to say about this clock. It's got a pendulum, and a really fast pendulum, as you can see. Um, Another thing about it is that it's got chimes, three different types of chimes. It's got Bim Bam chime, Westminster chime, and Ave Maria. And I have it set to Ave Maria since I have two other clocks with the same sound and they're both set on Westminster. I might set one to Bim Bam, like, once I get my room done. But yeah. Anyway, so I got this clock for my birthday in 2021, and along with a very similar looking clock, which you've probably seen before if you know you've seen my channel. This one is usually around that clock because the two are very similar and they're by the same company. The difference is that, well, of course, they're not really in the same case, but they are by the same company. And the other one doesn't chime. This one chimes. So yeah. Um, Overall, it's a pretty nice clock. I really enjoy having it, and yeah, the pretty fast pendulum is yeah. And also I like, one of the things I really enjoy about this clock is like this is like probably, I don't know, it's one of the fastest pendulums I have. I think it's the second fastest, or maybe it's the fastest, I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty fast pendulum. Now we've turned the clock around, so now here's the back. So it takes two AA batteries for the chime system and one for the movement itself. So yeah, and as you can see how fast that pendulum moves. Yeah. And also you can see that, like, around the here, like that area, that's basically glass. Um, and it's glass. So yeah, that's that one little circle where you can see the pendulum is the glass that you'll like see from the front, but you can see like a whole like glass panel thing in the back. So yeah, now we can see. Now, as you can see, even though it's sideways, there's a bunch of different options. There's Westminster, Ave Maria, and Bim Bam. And then here there's night shut-off mode, which will shut it off between 11 p.m. and 5:45 a.m. Then you can have it on to 24 hours. I usually keep it because the chimes don't bother me at night. Or you could just turn it completely off. Also, here's the volume button. And then there's the set button for in case the clock chimes the wrong number of times and you need to set it. So yeah. Alright, now let's listen to the chimes of this thing.